Hi guys, welcome to Code Bashers. Guys, in this video, I will be discussing latest Accenture interview experience. This interview happened recently only on 12th April 2022. So guys, make sure that you watch this till the end and do not skip any of the questions which are discussed in this video because similar questions can be asked from you in your interviews. The candidate for which I am discussing this interview belong to IT branch. And guys, previously also on my YouTube channel, I have uploaded many interview experiences of Accenture. There are 10 plus videos which are available. All those videos you can find under this playlist, Accenture Interview Experience. I will give you the link of this playlist in the I button as well as in the description box. Guys, previously also many of you requested me to take mock interviews for Accenture hiring. So guys, I have started taking mock interviews for Accenture hiring as well as for different companies, and I'm also doing resume reviews for free. So guys, again, visit the link in the description box if you want to book your slot for the interviews and resume reviews. So again guys, as to please book the slot as soon as possible because the slots are limited and they fill very fast. So guys, again, click on the link in the description box to for more details. So guys, now let's start this video, and before starting the video, please hit the like button as well as the subscribe button for this channel. Okay, so guys, it's time for appraisal at most offices. Appraisal means salary hike. But shouldn't appraisal mean more than just salary hikes? A good job is so much more than just money. Am I right? After working hard for a whole year, people expect to be valued, appreciated, promoted, and get some liberty to make decisions. But when we don't get all this, there is a voice in our head that motivates us to move on to something better, isn't it? Let's just all look let's just all look for a new job. Startups anyway have high demand for experienced people. But then you would say where to find such startups, and finding new startups is also pretty difficult. On Hired, you can get both these things. It's India's first direct hiring app. With Hired, you can simply and smoothly search for jobs, chat directly with startup founders and CEOs, and get hired quickly. Also, no consultants are involved here. Over 1,20,000 plus startups are already hiring on Hired. So to find a job, you don't have to do anything. Just click on the link given in the description box and install the app. Then create a profile by answering the given questions. The algorithm of the app will match you automatically with the relevant job profiles. Also, don't worry about some data privacy issues because Hired never shares your personal details with any recruiters without your permission. So click on the link in the description box and switch to the job that you always wanted on Hired. And guys, career hike करके तो देखो. Okay, so guys, the date of the interview was 12th April 2022. The branch of my friend was IT. The duration of the entire interview was 20 minutes. The first question, as you are following my videos, will be tell me about yourself. And guys, this is very important question as per your interview is concerned because many of the questions can be asked from this answer only. So guys, please prepare this question very well. And if you are not confident in this particular question, then I am giving you some suggestions that you can include in this question. You can include your internships, your projects, your skills, your extracurricular activities, all these things you can include in this particular question, and you will be good to go. So I hope this question is clear to you and you will be giving a good answer in the interview. Okay, next question is what are your hobbies? So guys, again, you might have mentioned the hobbies in your resume or you might not. So again, please tell your hobbies very confidently because if you will say that you like singing songs, so the interviewer can ask you that which song you like and who was the singer of that song. And again, please mention only those hobbies which really are your hobbies. There might be playing cricket, it can also be a hobby, reading books, listening to song, all these can be your hobbies. So kindly give this answer very carefully in the interview. Okay. Next question is what is your family background? So again, in this you can mention that how many family members you have and what are their occupation currently that they are pursuing. So all these things you can tell in this particular question. Okay. Next question is explain your project in detail. So again, guys, in 10 out of 10 Accenture interviews, this question will be asked from you. So I personally suggest you that you mention at least one project in your resume that you are confident in and that you can explain to the interviewer. Because guys, see, if you are following previous videos, in every video this question is asked. So again, if you do not have any project, you can explain the internship that you are doing, you can explain the project of your internship, but please have at least one project, babe. It doesn't matter whether it is individual or it is a group project, but you must have one project to explain it to the interviewer. Again, for every college, major projects are there in the last semester or second last semester, so you can explain that project also. but try to have one project that you can explain in the interview. So I hope this question is clear to you. Next question is, was it a group project or individual? So this question was asked from my friend. So he said that it was a group project. Okay. So next question was again on that project only, that how did you handle conflict? Since it is a group project, so there were many ideas. There will be many conflicts, that how we have to proceed there for that idea. So if this situation has occurred to you, then how you have handled that conflict? So you have to tell in detail that what was the conflict and how did you resolve it and how did you reach to the end of the solution. So I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question is, what is your favorite and least favorite subject? So again, it is dependent on you, that what was your favorite subject and why it was your favorite subject. What is your least favorite subject and why it is your least favorite subject. So again, this question is dependent on you only, that how you will answer it in your interview. So I hope this question is also clear to you. Next question is, do you have any questions for us? So again, guys, whenever this question is asked from you, please ask at least two questions from the interviewer. You can ask that what will be my role in the organization, what will be the projects I will be working on. All these questions you can ask from the interviewer and he will be happy to answer. But do not say that you do not have any questions, because it shows that you do not have any interest in the organization. So kindly ask 2 to 3 questions from the interviewer. And guys, again, if you're feeling nervous about your interviews, I have started taking mock interviews for different companies. Accenture is also one of them. If you want to book your slot, visit the link in the description box. There are limited slots which are available. So please book as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. In this season of appraisal, if you want something more than salary increments, then don't forget to download the Hirect app. Here you can chat directly with over 1,20,000 plus startup founders without any consultants. So click on the link given in the description box with Hirect, guys, career hike करके तो देखो.